Elon Musk has just sold his mansion for over $30 million. Let's take an inside look at this beautiful 47-acre California mansion. The mansion is located in the San Francisco suburb of Hillsborough and was built around 1912. It has views of the San Francisco Bay, sprawling lawns, and a reservoir for landscape irrigation. Between carports and a garage, there is room for 11 cars. The mansion has 16,000 square feet of interior space, expansive lush grounds, and a pool. It has 6 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. Elon Musk, one of the world's wealthiest men, bought this mansion in 2017 and recently decided he wanted to sell his last remaining home. Musk has been on a selling spree for more than a year now. In fact, in 2020, he pledged to eventually own no house and went on to offload several multi-million-dollar homes in California. Musk has sold this house for a staggering $30 million price tag, according to the listing on Zillow. The house was initially listed for $37.5 million, but its last listed price was at $31.99 million on the real estate listing website Zillow. And according to the website, it was last sold for $30 million. Musk currently lives in his rented property in Boca Chica, Texas, and this property is rented from SpaceX, which is a company belonging to Elon Musk. What do you think of Elon Musk's last sold home? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Moementum channel for more videos about finances and investing. Thank you. I hope to see you next time.